Customer service is so important for business owners, and especially us as cleaners, because without a happy customer, without customers, you are not in business. So since customers are the lifeblood of our business, how can we be successful in providing exceptional customer service on the front end and the back end? Let's get into it. Real men get it done. All right, so let's get into customer service. Your first impression really counts. So it's so important that we are thinking about that as business owners, because again, if you don't have customers, you don't have clients, you're not making money to be and stay in business. So for me, I pride myself in customer service. I think it is so important. And we're going to do a little bit of show and tell, but just want to chat with you guys for a moment. So I look at customer service as two different things. I look at the front end of customer service and the back end. So the front end of customer service, I'm thinking to myself, what are the customers seeing? What are they viewing? How are they perceiving who I am? And that could be a number of different things, from social media to Facebook, my website. Those are like the front facing things that I'm seeing of, okay, how am I providing good customer service on the front end? Then I also got to think about the back end of customer service, like what systems and things do I have in place to make sure that the customer has a good experience. So that could be things such as, my Google local services. It also could be my website. So I think, I'm going to show you, definitely going to show you so that it makes sense. But just keep that in mind. We're going to look at it at a front end aspect of it, and then some of the back end of things that we can do to make sure customers are having a great experience with us, so that they want to continue to book, tell their friends, spread the word, so we can grow and get to the money. So how can you level up in the cleaning business industry? There's going to come a point in time where if you start this as a side hustle, or if you are already a cleaner, or you're even looking for another business opportunity, that you're going to have to grow and learn what you're doing. I was able to scale and level up by joining the Cleaning Business University. I had been following the Hard Zogs for approximately 6 months before I took a chance on me to say, I want to level up and get out of cleaning day to day. So it's been about 2 years later, and I'm still a part of the community, which is so dope. And it's a lot of just awesome game about how to scale your cleaning business. So I highly encourage you to check it out, see if it's something that you may be interested in, and use my affiliate link in the bio to join and be a part of the community. Another cool aspect of being a part of a community is that you get the opportunity to ask questions, speak to like-minded people, get encouraged. This is just a snapshot of our community. We have over 200 people in here. We are learning and growing together, continually just sharing our wins, our challenges, and just how we can continue to be successful and level up for 2024. So I highly encourage you, look at the description, the link in my bio, and let's level up in 2024, y'all. All right, so let's get into some of what we are just talking about on this front end of customer communication. That first impression, how are people seeing and knowing who you are? And the first thing, I think we'll break this down in levels. Level one, I would just say, can be your social media. Also kind of tied into how you are viewed on social media, or how you're creating marketing pieces for your social media. So as I mentioned, level one, this is low level. Everything here is free. I highly encourage everyone, even if you have been in business for a while and don't have it, to have a Facebook page. Facebook for our industry is going to be a lot different from a TikTok, from, you can have all those TikTok, Instagram, you can have all the social medias, but Facebook, I think for our demographic of people, and Facebook users are a little bit older, and by older I mean like late 20s, early 30s, which is crazy to say, but that's where people are looking for products and services. So you want to be able to have a good Facebook page about your business. And if you're starting off new, it's okay, but you want to document your journey. So what that means is pictures of before and after cleans, any video that you can do. That's going to be very important early on to craft your Facebook page into that. So when I first started, and this is taking it back, going through photos, again, I just tried to do my best to show the work that I was doing. So something like this is a good example, an oven clean, the before and after, so that people can see that yes, I'm going to provide some good work if I am doing your home. And at that stage, I was a solo cleaner. Now I have a team and staff, so it's kind of dope seeing the growth even from my Facebook page. But Facebook is important. It's an important avenue where people can really see who you are and know who you are. So you want to move forward with creating a Facebook page. And the master key in terms of communication or customer service for your Facebook page and social media is making sure you have people complete those reviews. When I first started, I couldn't afford a website, and that's just being perfectly honest. So Facebook was a free avenue to help me get off the ground. And I was big on following up with all my customers. If we did a good job, to please post on our Facebook page. I would send them a little text message and say, please post and let folks know how we did. And this is how I gained business and had business rocking for like my first 2 years in business. So not only with just creating the Facebook page, but then also transitioning to making sure that you are able to capitalize on those reviews, because it's important. Next, I would say in terms of your Facebook page, you want to be able to put some content on Facebook. And a lot of times Facebook is easy to integrate with Instagram. As we all know, they're owned by the same company, Meta. So we want to be able to create some engaging posts and engaging media around what we're doing. So I've leveled up to be able to have, templates and things made, but these are all done from a free service, which we'll transition to, called Canva. I love Canva, Canva. Canva is dope because I have a paid version, but you can get the free version of templates that can just get you started with being able to put posts on your social media. So it'll give you ideas and suggestions of things that you can do. So you could easily use something like this, maybe throw your own photo in there of a clean that you did and still use that same phrase, or switch it up. But it allows you to just polish yourself. Customers want to see that you are polished and put together. Even if you are at this point a solo cleaner, even if you have a team, I think sometimes we negate that communication and the customer service piece, the communication piece of what people are seeing on that front end, because we're so worried about booking maybe that next clean. But this is so important because it really is going to shape and let people see who you are and putting your best foot forward. So you can take the time to put your Facebook page in. You can take the time to learn Canva so that you can create some good pieces of marketing. Or I'll give one more lower level of game that you can also do in this front end of creating advertisement is going to Fiverr. All right, so let's talk a little bit about Fiverr. I highly encourage people, if this is your business, even though there may be areas where you're not super strong in, it's important to at least know a little bit about it so that if you need to hire someone to do the job, you at least kind of have an idea of maybe what you want, or you at least experienced it. So when you maybe can't afford to pay someone, you can do it yourself. So that's why I love that. Again, when I first started my business, and even still to this day, I maintain my Facebook page. It was free. Canva, there's a free version of it and awesome tools that you can use. But then a very low level cost that you can also use as an alternative is Fiverr. Fiverr is home to tons of freelancers who can help you accomplish any task. If you are horrible at social media, horrible at even thinking about creating a Facebook page, you could even hire a freelancer to create your Facebook page for you, to create some templates for you that you can use inside of Canva for free. So again, for an example, maybe they'll take this idea right here and they'll create 10 pieces of content for you that will be pre-made, and all you got to do is change the text or maybe upload a picture. So there's ways that you can go about doing it. But I love Fiverr because when they initially started, and I've been using Fiverr for years, probably like close to 10 years, everything would be $5 because you are actually using a lot of people across the globe. And of course, the American dollar weighs a lot heavier, and you still can find projects on there for $5, but some of them are a little bit more expensive, but you can still probably take care of maybe your Facebook page and some templates for like $50. So let's search and look real quick. Let's just type in Facebook page. and I don't want to sign in, but again, these folks can create a page for you. $20, $30. Now it's important to look at their views. It's important to look at how other people are rating them, because everybody is not the same, so you want to double check that, see what the reviews they have, see how if they're top rated or not, and see what services they offer, and just reach out to them to see if they're going to be a good fit. So again, as I told you, some things start with $5, $15, $20, $30, and then it can go up from there. So that's just with your Facebook page. And again, with templates, you could say, okay, I know Canva is a free service that I can use. Let me type in specifically Canva templates for business. And what it says right here, I would design business, company flyer, brochure using Canva templates, $20. So again, you can be as specific as you need. Check and see what's out there, check and see their work. Let them know what you're trying to accomplish. I'm a cleaner. I want some engaging content that I can put up on Facebook and Instagram, and somebody can create that for you for $10 to $20. As I said, you can keep your budget right around $50 and get all of this accomplished: your Facebook page, your Canva, and also connect with a cool freelancer who you might want to work with to do several projects. I love Fiverr. It's a great fit. So remember, being accessible and transparent in social media is so important, and you can utilize the free sources that are available to you in terms of Facebook, of Canva, and there's tons of things out there, but let's keep it simple. Start and then grow and continue to see what all is out there and move forward from there. And again, if you are not a pro, definitely can use Fiverr, but I highly encourage you, try it out, at least tinker with setting up the initial things of your Facebook page, play around a little bit with some of the free templates on Canva, and then that will help set you up for success to move forward with hiring that freelancer who can know your wants and your needs and make sure you can shine. So let's leave it there for now. We'll keep things moving, talking a little bit more about some upper level customer service, but you got it. I'm here wanting you to win. Drop your comments, questions below, and let's keep winning, y'all. Real men get it done.